Hello beautiful Gluebookers. Ever wondered what treasures you can find in a Dutch thrift shop? Today I'm taking you along to see just that. This is something new I'm trying, a few thrift with me videos to see it's something I'd like to do occasionally and of course find out if you like them. I'm Deborah, welcome back to the collage table. Today I'm thrifting at the Snuffelmug in Haarlem, looking for vintage treasures and things to use in my glue books. And I'll show you what else that's inside the shop. I'm starting with the craft section, which is very messy today. I have seen it more organized than this here, but today it's kind of crazy. You really have to be in the mood to dig when it's like this. But let me show you the contrast, how messy the craft section is, and when you turn to the right, how neat and lovely the book section is, with the reading table right there if you want to sit down for a bit. Okay, let's dig a little bit. This is unfortunately nothing. At least not for me. Here are some photo albums, some postcards. Nothing special that I see. Maybe this section has just been very much picked over because the school year has just started and everybody has been here to get supplies. Oh, hey, look. Remember that spiral designer or spirograph? I used to have that. Okay, let's dive into this basket of random stuff. I see a hole puncher. Hey, there's more of them. Wait, let's see how much they want for them. Oh, there's no price on this one. Hey, this is some cool looking tape. Lots of random stuff. Hey, another one. Let's see. Yes, there's a price on it. Okay, upside down, 70 cents. That's not much. All prices I show are in euros, right? So this will be like $80 for a hole puncher. Okay, let's look here. What's this? Pressed flower art. That could be fun. It's still in the box. Oh, it really is like a toy flower press. I already have a vintage press, so I don't need this. But if you want to know, they're just asking 50 cents for it. What do I see here? That box. Good things take time. It's a postcard set. The box is closed. It could be nice, look. But it feels like it's not completely full. Moving on. Here we have pencils. And what's that? Let's check that out. It looks interesting. Oh, oops. Oh. Hey, did you see that? I caught the pencil box. So this is a poster book from Flow magazine, you know, the one that I just did another magazine harvest video from. So that's nice, but do I want these posters? I think I'll leave them here. Okay, and here we have, what is inside here? String art unicorn. I think it's from the Solo store, so you can probably buy it for not much more there new. And this box, what's in here? I love mystery boxes. Party props. Again, 50 cents. What party are we having for 50 cents? Oh, look, there's a lot in there. I see a big saxophone, some pink glasses. Well, let's have a thrift shop party. Okay, to the side with that. It's not for me. And then this was underneath. It's punched paper, pre-punched paper. Let's see, I've never seen that before. What do you do with these sheets? Use them as stencils for stamping? That could work. Okay, fun. It's 80 cents. I'm not sure if I'll use it. Let me think about that. Okay, and here it's a scrapbooking paper pad. That's always cool to check out. So I recognize this brand, the Craft Sensations. That's from the Action store. They're asking $1.50 for €1 more, so you have a new one complete. And this one, look, it has quite some pages missing. So okay, I want to look for some magazines for my glue books. They always have a lot of magazines here, but they are so awkwardly placed in these crates underneath the table with the records, so you're squatting to get to them, and then they're all piled on top of each other. And there's also comics mixed in, like here. Just flipping through a little bit. Hey, our former queen, still looking regal. And then there's a Linda magazine. Those are everywhere, but I'm not a fan for my glue books unless they're free. I want to show you something here in the store. Look, on the other side of the book section, there's this huge picture frame that they're filling up with all these stuffed animals. I think that's so much fun. You could do this in your kids' room, but maybe a little bit smaller scale. Okay, so I usually do a quick scan of the art books right here. Let's see if they have something today. This Dada book looks cool. So let's see. So I'm checking the spine for a sticker. Different colors are different prices, and they rotate weekly, so the prices drop each week. Hey, these look interesting. Stars of the 40s. Let's see. Look, they're yellow stickers, and then you check right there on the board. It says this week yellow is $1.50, so this book will cost you €1.50. Let's look inside. How will I do this? Okay, like so. A quick flip. Okay, look at that. All these old pictures. And then there's this one, Great Love Scenes. Let's see if this works better if I put the book down right here. I told you, I'm just testing this out, making these videos, see if I can make it work. Beautiful. But will I find a use for these images, or would I just keep the books as they are? I will have to think about it some more. But it is a lovely find. Okay, what else is here? Hey, a book all about facades. And look at that wonderful Art Deco. I'm obsessed with beautiful facades, and I love great architecture, so maybe this book is supposed to come home with me. I probably wouldn't cut it up and just keep it with my architecture books, but I have a lot of them already. Look at this. It is wonderful. Wonderful collection. Okay, is there a sticker? No. So then they will make up a price at the register. Okay, I think so. Okay, let me show you the upstairs real quick. I won't shop here today, but I just want to give you a peek. The entire floor is clothing. I must say I never really found anything here, or did I? But I also never really spend a lot of time up here in this store. It's just not my favorite store to shop for clothes. I don't know why. Okay, back downstairs with all the home decor. This tin tray, Agatha's Bester. Not sure why they want €2 for it. It doesn't look old. Looks new with an old print. Here's a small, pretty beat up kalimba. It doesn't sound the best. It's from the Fair Trade shop. There's no price, probably 50 cents. Hey, Minnie Mouse, she looks cute. Oh look, it's a lamp. Let's see. They're asking $1.50 for her. That's less than that they want for that tin tray. Okay, let's go look at some of the glassware. It's sorted by color. This is pretty. Oh, I like this one, a vintage tea glass. 70 cents. Do they have more? I wondered if it's a set, 4 or even just 2. No, nothing. And what's this? This is pretty. You could put candles inside or your small craft supplies. $1.50 for the set. Not bad. Is there anything else that catches my eye? More glasses. Always check the thrift store first if you need glassware. Okay, let's move on to the next aisle and see what's there. So this is always an interesting section. There's lots of wooden vintage items to be found here. Let's see what there is today. Oh look, this is a pretty box. It looks hand painted. There's treasure inside. It's somebody's old sewing box. I love it. Look, okay, what do they want for it? €15. Okay, I can see that with everything inside. Let's check it out a little. It's not very much. I once found a sewing box filled to the brim with vintage and antique items. I think I'll leave this for someone else. Hey, antique wooden cookie molds. I like this one for my small collection that I have. €1, that's not expensive. I think I'll take that one, and this one, it's large. Okay, what do they want for this one? Again, no price on it. Well, I only want that small one anyways. So that one is coming home with me. Yes, I like it. Okay, hey, look at this serving tray. That's so beautifully painted. Yeah, I like this. It's only $1.50. I wish I needed a new tray though. And what is this for unique looking box? Ew, they're sticky. Let's try this one. Okay. Oh, look, these are bridge playing card sets. Probably for tournaments since there are so many inside. Okay, let's see what else we can find here. Okay, oh that's pretty. This is the plasticware aisle. This usually looks a bit messy like this, but sometimes there's treasure. I found a lot of vintage Tupperware here. Oh look, these pudding molds are fun. I have these already at home in pretty pastel colors. 50 cents for the set, that's a bargain. This toy department, here are some baskets with cases for your glasses and phone cases. Every thrift store has those in an abundance. But not this. We can dress up as Minnie Mouse, pretend we've been to Disney for just €1. Little girl me would have wanted that. Moving on to the mirrors and the frame section. I am looking for a big frame, but I don't want to carry it around today, so skipping this. And just let's browse the housewares. Is there something special? Oh, this, a milk glass set. It's just 1 cup, 1 saucer, $1.50. Okay. But this set, very pretty. A matching set of 2 serving trays, €3. That's not bad. That's about $3.50 in US dollars. Scherzer, do I pronounce it right? It's German made. Okay, a quick look at the electronics department. I am looking for a CD player, but I see this record player for just €10. And I think I should get it. Let me make a quick phone call to my husband, see what he thinks I should do. This phone is $2.50. And while I pass the utensils here, I'll tell you that I am buying the record player. It's too good to leave behind. Here are the egg cups. I love to hold your boiled eggs in the morning. I have a collection of very cute ones. These are fun for Easter. Let's see, 50 cents. Yeah, that's sort of the regular egg cup thrift store price. And oh, this one, it's so adorable. Look. Also 50 cents. What else can I find here? Knickknacks. Oh, see, here's another cute egg cup for Easter. And those have little bunnies inside and names on them. The swan planter is very pretty. Here on the shelf underneath are some apples. So if you happen to be looking for ceramic apples, you can find them here for €1 each. Or dog figurines. Is that a Chihuahua? And a bulldog? I have no dog knowledge, so I'm wrong. I'm sorry. But this one, this vintage dog planter, I have this one at home. Otherwise I would have taken it for just €2 for sure. Here. Inserting my home. Here's my vintage dog. And I also have this cute vintage cat planter, which I also love very much. So cute. Oh, hey, there they are. I was looking for my miniature turtles. Yes, obviously they're inside the cat. Look, there's more. Okay. But for now, let's just go back to the store. So here are some cups and saucers. This urn looks good, €4. More cups. These are not really my style. There's florals. Okay, and they have a lot of regular looking planters. But I spy this one in the back. That's very pretty. And I'd love to hear what you think. Should I do more Thrift With Me videos along with the Gluebooking ones? For now I say thank you for watching. I hope you have a fabulous day. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Till next time, bye!